And I see in the breaking news, what, you write something on oil?
Sure, we can talk about it, yeah. So I wrote something. Now, this is at Nadex. They have a site, binaryoptions.nadex.
Yeah.
And so there's all these different, and just to kind of show them real quick before.
Yes.
So binaryoptions.nadex, and there's a bunch of different posts, and they're kind of just talk about different trading ideas.
Okay.
The different ways some of their binaries, their spreads work.
Yeah.
Just a bunch of different good articles.
Cool.
And so the one I talked about was oil yesterday, and so I just kind of walk through. We talk about defined risk, volatility,
right. Huge.
and you know that's one of the things we always bring out with the binary options. And just looking at oil and talking about, again, you know, I always talk about the weekly binaries.
Right.
I like those.
Right.
And just looking at yesterday, you know, I have some of the charts, some of the available binaries, and then just talking about whether if you were bullish or if you're bearish.
Right.
You know, you can, if you're bullish, you could look at the binary option above the market,
Sure.
a little bit out of the money.
Yeah.
You're paying $31.
Yeah.
Your max profit is $69. On the flip side of that, you're bearish. You could sell the $36.75 strike price. You're selling it at $61.75. Let me walk through it. That's your max profit. Yes. And then you're buying it back, of course. Your max loss would be $38.25. So it's just a quick read, and it goes through kind of, because you saw how I had to stutter there for a second myself. So the math that goes along with it is complicated, and so that's why I write these. That's why they kind of put this site together.
Nice.
Is because, and I understand them pretty much upside down. I'm so confident. But even in that moment, I'd say, wait a second, wait a second.
Right.
And of course, yeah.
Now, in this one here, I know when you did the gold one, which was cool, is that you had we were talking about the differential and the stop, meaning...
Yeah, so I didn't talk about the stops at all or anything in this. And the reason why
But they should read that one, too, just so they can understand
and that's why I went back and just brought up the site real quick.
Okay,
because you can run down there, and there's other people that are writing, great traders. Daryl's out there writing some stuff for them. And you know the kind of math he does and stuff like that.
Right.
And so, yeah, it's just kind of trading ideas and becoming familiar with the risk, the reward, how the binaries work. Because, you know, you're selling something you're selling a binary option at $61.75. That takes some math to say, well, what's my risk? If you're selling it at $61.75, that's not super easy.
No.
So check it out. It's right under breaking news on TFNN. You can check it out. It's a quick read. It's only about 400 words. It's easy.
Perfect, man. Good job.